Introduction to UPL Support System. The UPL Support System is a unified learning and training framework designed to streamline education and skill development. It integrates key components such as a learning management system, LMS, course management system, assessment platform, and online training modules. Enhanced by shadow support, real-time project work, project report management, and automated interview reports, it offers a seamless, practical, and personalized learning journey from theory to job readiness. UPL's Learning Management System, LMS, is a powerful digital platform designed to create, deliver, manage, and track educational content and training programs. It can be used in schools, universities, training institutes, or corporate environments. Our LMS serves as the backbone of modern e-learning, offering flexible and accessible education for all learners. UPL's LMS system is more than just a content platform, it's a complete digital learning ecosystem. It enables seamless education delivery, supports modern pedagogical methods, and bridges the gap between instructors and learners across the globe. Key features of UPL's LMS system: course creation and content management. Designed structure courses with modules, lessons, quizzes, and multimedia content. Uploaded videos, documents, presentations, and interactive elements, lab set. Organized curriculum by grade level, topic, or skill progression. Student enrollment and progress tracking. It has self or admin managed enrollment. It has personalized learning paths and progress dashboards. We have real-time tracking of course completion, grades, and participation. Assessments and certifications. It has multiple quiz formats, MCQs, subjective and coding tests. Auto-grading and manual evaluation done. Issues certificates upon successful completion of courses or modules. Analytics and reporting. Insightful reports for instructors and administrators. Live class integration via Zoom, Google Meet, or built-in virtual classrooms. Security and accessibility. Role-based access control, admin, instructor, student. Data encryption, secure login, and activity logs. Mobile-optimized UI for learning on the go. Who can use an UPL's LMS? Educational institutions for higher education and skill-based learning. Corporates and enterprises. Trainings of employees and onboard new hires. Host internal knowledge bases and development resources. Training providers and edtech companies. Launch online academies and courses. It can monetize educational content via subscriptions or one-time access. Engages learners globally with 24/7 access to structured content. Benefits of an LMS. Cost-effective, reduces need for physical infrastructure and printed material. Location-free learning, access anytime, anywhere. Scalable, add new users, courses, or features. Customizable, tailor branding, modules, and features to fit specific needs. Time-saving, automates grading, reporting, and communication. Course Management System. It is a specialized software platform designed to support the planning, delivery, and management of courses in educational institutions, training organizations, and corporate environments. CMS is primarily focused on the structure, flow, and management of individual courses and curriculum delivery. It is essential for organizing modern education and training. It enables institutions to manage courses more effectively, improves the learning experience, and fosters better communication between educators and learners. Key features: course design and organization. Create structured courses with modules, topics, lessons, and subtopics. It has prerequisites and outcomes for each course. Embed multimedia resources, links, PDFs, and interactive elements. Instructor tools. Assign instructors to specific courses. Scheduled classes, lectures, and evaluations. Provided tools for grading, assignment submission, and feedback. Student access and participation. Enroll and manage learners in courses. Allow self-paced or instructor-led learning paths. Enable access to course materials, schedules, and announcements. Assignments and evaluation. Set up quizzes, assignments, and projects with deadlines. Automated and manual grading done. Generate grade reports and feedback for learners. Timetable and scheduling. Integrate course schedules, class calendars, and exam dates. Notify students of upcoming sessions, deadlines, and changes. Sync with digital calendars for automated reminders. Role-based access control. Admins, instructors, students, and guests. Ensure content security, data privacy, and access control at multiple levels. Who can use CMIS? It can be used by educational institutions to maintain course archives for future reference. Training centers and corporates. To organize job-specific training modules. To track employee progress in certification programs. And support onboarding and upskilling initiatives. Benefits of CMAs are centralized course management, efficient resource distribution, better instructor-student communication, improved transparency in evaluation, reduced administrative overhead. Assessment platform. It is our comprehensive digital solution designed to create, deliver, and manage tests, quizzes, and evaluations at scale. Ideal for educational institutions, corporate training, certification bodies, and recruitment teams. Key feature. It creates a variety of assessments, MCQs, subjective, coding, case-based, or scenario-driven with set timer. Automated and manual evaluation. It supports both live-invigilated and self-paced formats. It is compatible with mobile, tablet, and desktop devices. It conducts midterms, finals, and continuous assessments. It has skill assessments before and after training programs. Benefits of an assessment platform. It saves time, automates test delivery and grading. It improves accuracy, minimizes human error in evaluation. It is scalable, assists thousands of users across locations. It is secure, advanced proctoring and fraud prevention. It is insightful, analytics to guide learning and hiring decisions. Shadow support. It is a UPL's powerful learning strategy that promotes experiential, mentorship-based learning. By placing learners side by side with seasoned professionals, it fosters skill development, confidence, and readiness to take on real-world responsibilities. Key objectives. It provides contextual understanding of tasks, tools, and processes. It enables learners to observe best practices and real-time decision-making. It builds confidence through guided learning and feedback. It promotes continuous learning and skill development. Core elements of shadow support. First, observation-based learning. Trainees watch experts perform tasks in real time. Learn nuances, soft skills, and workflows not found in textbooks. Second, guided task execution. Learners progressively take on small tasks under supervision. Receive real-time corrections and coaching. Third, mentor-mentee interaction. Regular check-ins and Q&A sessions. Personalized feedback and growth plans. Fourth, reflection and assessment. Document learnings, observations, and challenges. Short evaluations or reflective assignments to track progress. Real-time project work. It is active, Hands-on involvement in actual projects that reflect real-world challenges, tools, workflows, and timelines. Projects are developed using real technologies, tools, and version control systems, example Git, Docker, CI/CD. Participants work in agile teams or squads. Projects span areas like full-stack web development, data science and machine learning, DevOps and cloud infrastructure, generative AI and LLM applications, mobile app development, cybersecurity scenarios. Final deliverables may include deployable apps or services, interactive dashboards or AI models, GitHub repositories with documented code, client-style demos or presentations, performance reports and evaluation. Who should participate? Students and final year graduates, as capstone projects or part of internships. Working professionals, to transition into new tech roles or gain experience. Career switchers, to build portfolios and showcase hands-on skills. Interns and junior developers, as part of onboarding or skill acceleration. Project Report Management. It is a digital tool that helps individuals and teams efficiently document, manage, and report on the progress of their projects. Whether used in academic, research, software development, or business environments, it ensures that all project milestones, deliverables, tasks, and updates are recorded, organized, and presented professionally. Key features of Project Report Management. Project documentation as. It creates structured project reports including project title, scope, objectives, team members and roles, timeline and phases, technologies tools used, outcomes and future scope. Its support for attachments, charts, screenshots, code links, and references. It exports reports as PDF, docs, or web viewable formats. It allows project guides, mentors, or managers to review and comment. It collaborates on multi-phase research initiatives as final year project tracking for students, capstone project submission with continuous evaluation, research paper drafting and submission management. Benefits of Project Report Management. It has centralized and organized project data, professional-grade reporting without manual formatting, real-time collaboration and feedback, improved transparency and accountability, reusable report templates for recurring needs, security and permissions, role-based access for creators, reviewers, and readers, secure cloud or on-premise hosting, data backups and version history to avoid loss. Automated interview report system. Our smart recruitment tool that generates structured summaries and evaluations of candidate interviews using AI, machine learning, and predefined rubrics. It streamlines the hiring process by replacing manual documentation with real-time, consistent, and insightful reports, enhancing decision-making, reducing bias, and saving time. Features of automated interview report system. Interview recording and transcription. Capture audio-video interviews via integrated platforms, Zoom, Google Meet, custom tools. Auto-transcribe conversations using NLP, natural language processing. Timestamp key moments, responses, and interviewer notes. AI-powered analysis. Detect sentiment, confidence, and communication clarity. Evaluate technical accuracy and keyword coverage. Rate behavioral and situational responses based on preset criteria, example, STAR method. Structured report generation. Auto-generate summaries including candidate details, interview type, technical HR behavioral, question-wise performance, Overall strengths and concerns. Scorecard with customizable rating metrics. Integration and customization. Sync with ATS, applicant tracking systems, CRMs, or LMS platforms. Customize templates for different roles and departments. Include interviewer comments and manual overrides where needed. Analytics and dashboard. Compare candidate performance across interviews and batches. Visual insights, skill radar charts, confidence scores, red flags. Export reports in PDF or integrate into decision-making workflows. Benefits. Saves time and effort on manual report writing. Improves consistency and fairness in evaluations. Enhances hiring quality through data-driven insights. Provides transparency to candidates and stakeholders. Scales easily for mass hiring or training programs. Conclusion on UPL support system. The UPL support system offers a robust, end-to-end digital ecosystem that empowers learners and instructors through integrated tools such as the LMS, course management system, assessment platform, and online training. With added layers like shadow support, real-time project work, project report management, and automated interview reports, UPL ensures a comprehensive, hands-on, and outcome-driven learning experience, bridging the gap between knowledge acquisition and real-world application.